Many people wonder if having thus crore is enough to retire at Taiwan, especially in a bustling metro city. The question becomes even more relevant if you already own your house and have no outstanding liability. Today, we'll break down what it really means to retire comfortably with this amount, and what factors you should consider before making that leap. Let's start by understanding the core of the question. Is thus crore truly sufficient for a secure and enjoyable retirement in a mate? Answer this, let's clarify the assumption. We're talking about someone who already owns their home, has no debts, and is free from major financial liability. This means you won't have to worry about rent or mortgage payment, and your monthly expenses can be focused on lifestyle, healthcare, and personal interest. With these basics covered, your retirement planning becomes much more straightforward and less stressful. Most important factor is your lifestyle. How much do you plan to spend each year? Will you travel often, dine out, or pursue expensive hobby? Or do you prefer a simpler, more controlled lifestyle? Your annual spending needs will determine how far thus crore can take you. For many, a controlled lifestyle allows this corpus to last comfortably for decades. Healthcare is a major concern as we age. Medical expenses can rise unexpectedly, especially in metro cities where healthcare costs are high. Planning for health insurance, regular checkups, and a medical emergency fund is crucial. With proper planning, your retirement corpus can absorb these costs without major stress. Supporting children or other dependents can significantly impact your retirement budget. Whether it's funding education, weddings, or helping with their financial needs, these obligations should be factored into your planning. The more you need to support others, the more carefully you must manage your corpus. Many retirees dream of traveling or enjoying luxury experiences. While thus crore can support some of these dreams, frequent or extravagant spending can deplete your savings faster than expected. It's important to balance your desires with the need for long-term financial security. Lifestyle inflation refers to the tendency to increase spending as your income or wealth grows. In retirement, it's easy to let expenses creep up, especially in a metro city with endless options. Staying disciplined and avoiding unnecessary upgrades is key to making your corpus last. Well-structured thus crore portfolio can generate a conservative annual income of 25-40 lakh. This is typically enough for an upper-middle class to affluent lifestyle in cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, or Hyderabad. The key is to ensure your investments are set up to provide steady income while also growing to keep up with inflation. How you allocate your assets after retirement is crucial. A balanced mix of equity mutual funds, debt instruments, and emergency liquidity ensures both growth and safety. Avoid putting all your money in one place and regularly review your portfolio to stay aligned with your goal. Taxes can eat into your retirement income if not managed properly. Smart tax planning, including the use of senior citizen income products and tax-efficient investment, can help you retain more of your earnings. Consult a financial advisor to optimize your tax strategy. One common mistake is keeping too much money idle in fixed deposits. While they feel safe, they often don't keep up with inflation, reducing your purchasing power over time. Diversifying your investments is essential to protect and grow your wealth throughout retirement. Having quick access to funds for emergencies is vital. Set aside a portion of your corpus in easily accessible accounts or instruments. This ensures you're prepared for unexpected expenses without disrupting your long-term investment. Setting aside specific reserves for healthcare is a smart move. Medical costs can rise with age, and having a dedicated fund ensures you won't have to dip into your main retirement corpus for health emergency. This adds an extra layer of security to your retirement plan. Disciplined spending is the foundation of a successful retirement. Regularly track your expenses, avoid unnecessary splurges, and stick to your budget. This ensures your thus crore corpus lasts for the full duration of your retirement, providing peace of mind. In summary, thus crore can absolutely be enough to retire at Taiwan in a metro city if you own your house and have no liability. The key is prudent management, careful planning, and disciplined spending. By considering lifestyle, healthcare, family obligations, and smart asset allocation, you can enjoy a comfortable and secure retirement for decades to come.